Hi, I'm Bill from Beyond Fitness Online. Today I'm going to show you an exercise that I use with a lot of people where we're on the floor. So you're going to need some floor space, and then if we're in the advanced version of this, you're also going to need to use a band. So what we're going to do is we're going to get on the floor, we're going to move our legs side to side and try to basically separate our upper body from our lower body. And I'm going to show you how to do that. What the benefit of this is that when you're able to move the lower body one way and the upper body the other, you're able to move more dynamically, more energy efficient, and create an environment for yourself where you're less likely to injure yourself. A lot of times we get so stiff through the spine and through the pelvis that we don't move well through there anymore, and then we move into a place where we need to move that way and we end up with a back injury. So I'm going to show you that exercise right here, and I'm going to show you several different variations so that you can choose which one's best for you. To begin this exercise, have your feet hip width apart and brace your hands behind you to keep your upper body still. Start to rock your knees left and right while trying to maintain a straight posture with your upper body. From there, you can take your hands off the floor and try to keep your body still while you continue to do the same movement with your legs. It becomes more challenging now to brace your core without using your arms. The third version, we add a band with lateral resistance. The band is anchored to something to the right, and we continue to do left and right rotations with the feet. I hope you found that interesting. Like I said, you can get on the floor and do this one way without the band or two with the band, and it will really start to help you feel how to move your lower body and your upper body separate from each other. And then that allows you more synergy throughout the entire muscular system. This will also help you to improve your posture. It'll help you to improve your balance. This is all great stuff for your overall health. If you haven't already, please check out my website at www.beyondfitnessonline.com. And if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. I post new updates every Friday. And until next time, live healthy.